Hey guys, welcome back again. We are now live on Euro USD where we will be taking two 1-minute trades. So let's just wait for the setup. As you can see, I've already drawn some key resistance and support level. So let me just delete these two, not needed. So this one, the thicker lines are stronger zones. As you can see, this one and this one, they are strong zones. And the lighter ones are the minor zones. So we will be using the lighter zones to trade the 1-minute trades. Okay guys, this was a very close trade. Let's see how the second trade goes. As you can see, I have taken multiple trades over here, and the reason is because I feel that this is going to be a strong resistance level for both. As you can see, there's horizontal support line and trend line. So let's just wait how the trade goes. As you can see, we ended up in a profitable state with 306 rupees. So the previous trade that we lost was for 85 rupees, and the 5-minute trade that we lost was 170. So we are in a profit of around 50 rupees for today. That should be fine as we did not close our day in negative. So let's move for a better session tomorrow, and I will be winding up my trading session for today. So that is it for today's session, guys. Thank you and have a good day.